Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of this channel. I'm David and I would like to share with you today a super easy, super quick Madeleine recipe. Let's make it. For this recipe, we will need plain flour, vanilla paste, melted butter, canned sugar, whole eggs, honey, baking powder. All the measurements you can find on the description below. Starting by adding the eggs to your mixer, followed by canned sugar. Whisk it on high speed for around 2 minutes. Now add the honey to the mixture, followed by your vanilla paste. Now combine both of your dry ingredients. Slowly add to your mixture, a spoon at a time. Don't forget to scrape the sides to avoid any lumps. Now slowly add your melted butter to the mixture. Put your mixture on high speed until fully incorporated. Your batter should have this texture. Transfer to a bowl, cling film and leave it to rest inside your fridge. It's better if you leave overnight. Now you can grease your molds with soft butter. Add your mixture to the molds. Almost full, I would say 4/5. Bake for around 10 minutes at 180. Remove from the oven and then leave it to rest for around 3 minutes so you can demold it. To finish, you can either dust with some icing sugar or maybe dip into some chocolate.